Today's episode is brought to you by Telecom Careers, the #1 global telecom and wireless job board. telecomcareers.net.
My name is Sherry Clark. I'm the CTO for GE Critical Power. I lead the engineering teams for all the critical power product lines globally. We have engineering teams here in Plano, Texas, in Riazino, Switzerland, and also in Shanghai, China. I don't know if we have typical days around here. They tend to vary based on what technology issues are happening, what programs we have going on. So about a third of my day is probably spent on technology programs, quality issues, visiting the labs. We also spend time with the business on strategy, and then also spend time with the team and mentoring and learning about what everyone is working on. I'm an electrical engineer. I started writing DSP assembly code and laying out circuit boards. Did a lot of research on EMI designs and how to have circuit boards that have very low signal-to-noise ratio so we can measure really small signals. That led me to have a very strong technical foundation that I really built my career off of. So I started to lead projects and then lead teams, and then I was the engineering leader for a product line and continued to grow and lead global teams, which allowed me to come into critical power and lead the team today. I think the key characteristic to be a large engineering leader of a global team is to have a good technical foundation. Because if you have a good technical foundation, you can build off of that and leverage one technology expertise area to understand another. Because you have to be able to do that very quickly. And no one can be an expert in everything, and so you have to be able to understand technology and then use that to ask the right questions so you can understand a new area so you can make decisions very quickly. You want to be able to be very curious and want to understand new technology and always be learning. So, find something that you love and then build off of that. Be willing to make mistakes and then learn from them, because no one can do everything right the first time, and so you just really have to be humble and be willing to learn from others. I look for employees that are curious, that they want to learn, they want to do more, that are excited to be around the technology, have a proven track record. Many people think that you lead by having a big title or a big team, but really you lead by demonstrating your expertise and being able to deliver on programs. And so those are the characteristics that you look for. There's just this kind of more curiosity of wanting to understand how things work, and then how we solve problems, understand customer needs, and figure out how do we apply technologies we know to solve whatever the needs the customers have. I don't know if there's one technical skill, unfortunately, because we have such a wide variety and diversity of engineers. We have electrical engineers, we have technical people, experts in magnetics and EMI and mechanical engineers. So there's not one skill. Really, the magic of the team is that we build off of a lot of people with a lot of different skills. And so the #1 characteristic of engineers, though, is working through problems and trying to understand how things work and how to make things better.